Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel again and a brand new talk video as always. And in today's video I'll be telling you guys how you can find copyright free music for your videos and the music which you can also use in your background for your videos, and which also is good. So if you're wondering that how I find copyright free music, so here's the video and hope you will like it. And if you like it, then give this video a like. And if you have any questions, then do comment down below in the comment section and we'll reply you for sure. And if you are new, then click the subscribe button below, and as I create some good content like this, and which you can also share with your friends and family which are interested in getting some copyright free music, or who are going to start a YouTube channel or any other purpose. So here's the video right here. And yeah, so without wasting time, let's dive in. Okay guys, so as I said in my intro that I'll be telling you guys how you can find copyright free music and some channels and songs which I like the most and I like you to suggest. So yeah, let's start. So here's the number one channel which I suggest, and is called NCS. The full form is No Copyright Sounds, and as you can see the name, and so this channel produces copyright free music for all the creators in the world out there, and which produces some very good quality sound which you can use. So here's the song which I like the most. Let's move on to the second channel, which is Vlog No Copyright Sounds. So as the name suggests, Vlog No Copyright Sounds. So I think that's only for vlogging channel, but I think it doesn't matter that if your channel is not vlogging channel, so like me, but I use their music. And so by the way, this also creates or produces copyright free music. So basically all the channels which I am telling you produces copyright free music, so there is no chance that you will get a copyright claim. You can check it out later. I think I will put the links in the description of their channels so you can check it out later. So yeah, I was talking about Vlog No Copyright Sounds, and so yeah, as I said that this name suggests, Vlog No Copyright Sounds. So I think this channel is only for vlogging channel, but yeah, you can use it and it doesn't matter if your channel is not a vlogging channel. So yeah, and here's the song which I like. audio library. So yeah, here's the channel, and so audio library is basically, all the songs of all sorts of genres you can all find in the channels. And yeah, so I have not explored that channel most, but yeah, I know about that, and I sometimes use those music which are in audio library, and but yeah, I mostly use NCS, no copyright sounds, and yeah, so they work with different artists around the world, and which are already creating some good music. So yeah, they work with them and create some epic music, so you can check it out later. Yeah, then we have some another channel called Hero Board, which is another copyright free music producing channel. And so yeah, that also I haven't explored much, but yeah, I will put the links in the description so you can check it out later. Yeah guys, these were the 4 channels which I have explored, and I have known about it. So there you go. And if you like this video, then please give this video a like, and if you are new, then consider subscribing and share this video with your friends and family who are willing to start a new channel, or who are you going to use some copyright free music, which are always free. You can download on your PC, laptop, and use it in your in other purposes. So yeah, hope you will like it, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.